you the answers of the first one. Let me show you the answers of the first one. You check. Okay, tell me what will be the answer. What 4 की table में 35? Is it possible or what will you do?
No, ma'am, it is not possible. The answer is 32.
Ma'am,
4 8
Yes, 4 8s are 32.
32. Ma'am, 4 8 is 32.
So the remainder will be how much here? 0.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3.
अब हम 5 कॉपी कर रहे हैं. 5 we are copying from gram. So किलोग्राम का कहाँ नहीं पता, तो किलोग्राम की Yuvraj Gupta, please switch your mic off. Otherwise, I'll throw you out of the meeting right now. Okay, 5 will be here. 35. 4 की टेबल में 35 कब आता है और number less than that?
Ma'am, 32.
4 8s are 32. Okay, subtract it. What will you get here? 5 minus 2, 3. And 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. Then you will copy the 0 here. 50. 4 की टेबल. Oh my God. Sorry. 30. 3. अब 4 की टेबल में 30 कब आता है?
Ma'am, it is not possible.
So what's number less than that?
4 7 is 38. Ma'am, 38.
Then what you will get? 10 by 2. 0, 2.
Ma'am, 20.
Then you copy this 0 here. 4 की टेबल में 20.
4 5 is 20. Ma'am,
4 5
5 is
are
20.
20. Okay, very good. Subtract it, you will get double 0 here. The quotient will be, so here I am writing the answer. Quotient will be 8 kg, 875 gram. And remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Okay? Okay, now let's do this question, second one. Uske baad I'll give you the third one. Let's do the second one. See here. Let's make it like this, kilogram and gram.
Ma'am, please side.
Beta, if I will be side, who will write for you? So you can write for yourself if I will be side. Okay, 950 gram. Okay, tell me, we have to divide it by 7. 7, 8 की table में 7 is possible. This 7.
No, ma'am. No,
So
ma'am.
number less than that.
No, ma'am.
Number less than that.
7
7.
Ma'am, 7.
Okay, let's subtract it. We will get 1 here. अब ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये kgs because अब हम ग्राम से कॉपी करेंगे 9. It will not be 9. It will be 19. It will not be 9. It will be 19. 7 की table में 19. 7 2s are
Not possible. So
7
40.
2s are 14. So 9 minus 4 is 5 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now you copy this 5 here. 55 कब आता है 7 की table में?
Ma'am, it is also not
A number
possible.
less than that. A number less than that.
Ma'am, 49. Ma'am, 49.
49.
Ma'am, 40.
So you will subtract it. You will get 6 here and copy this 60. अब बताओ.
Ma'am, ma'am, 56. 7 8 is 56.
7
Ma'am,
8
56. 7 8 is 56.
56. 10 minus 6 4.
56.
4.
4 and 0.
So the quotient will be, I'm writing here. Quotient will be 1 kg, 278 gram. And remainder will be 4 grams. Remainder will be 4 gram, not 4. It should be 4 gram. Okay, let me take a picture so that I can send you on WhatsApp. Give me a minute. Done all of you? Shall I rub this? Just check it once again. I'll send you on
Yes,
WhatsApp
ma'am.
afterwards. In the end of the classes, I'll send you this.
Oh, ma'am, 1 minute.
Where is 30?
R.
Just check your answers quickly. Then I'll give you the next question here only, third and fourth.
And after both the question, we start the liter and milliliter.
No, beta. I will tell you myself, Akshaj, what to do, okay? Okay, Akshaj?
Okay.
3D group में let me send you these questions first of all जो आज कराया है मैंने. I'll send you together in the end कि आज मैंने जो भी कराया है I'll send you in the end. आज हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया है और वो किया है, ठीक है
मैम डन.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to rub this. Shall I rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now third and fourth question I'll give you now. You can continue from the same page if you want. If you want, you can continue from the same page. Okay. So I'm going to give you another question. Question number 3 is, wait a second. Okay. Eight kg, 245 gram divided by 2. This is the third question. And fourth one is here. 52 kgs, 500 gram divided by. Start doing these. Keep your videos on. Ansh Patel, Arhan, Arkan. बेटा ये का क्यों मुझे बार बार बोलना पड़ता है कि keep your videos on, keep your videos on. And one more, 5 questions you have to do here. Fifth one is also.
Ma'am, my video is open, but ma'am, I also seen that in participants, it's showing that your video is off.
What
Ma'am,
is your
but my
name?
video is on.
What is your name?
Ma'am, Ansh. Ma'am, Ansh.
Okay, Ansh, I will see. ठीक है अंश, पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
Ma'am, in my also.
ओके बेटा, नहीं नहीं अब माय ऑल्सो नहीं होगा. आई न्यू इट. अंश के में प्रॉब्लम है, अदरवाइज आई डोंट.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, and I also just showing when I go to participant, it shows that your microphone and your video is on.
ओके.
ma'am, when I
So
am
I
going
will
to
ask you to.
participant,
नहीं नहीं मुझे
Ma'am,
डोंट
it is
टेल मी,
showing
डोंट टेल मी
that
दिस थिंग. अब ये सबके पास बहाना नहीं है. अभी मैं स्क्रीनशॉट मांग लूंगी सबका. मैं अभी I'll ask for the screenshots. Don't act smart in front of me. I'm much smarter than you. Don't act smarter in front of me. I'm much smarter than you.
Ma'am, there are only 5 questions.
Yes. Completed within this period. Next period, we will start the number stories.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay. अरहान बेटा आपको तो मैं क्लास से बाहर करने वाली हूँ. That's it. Because you never ask open your camera. Never ever. And SO के लिए I'll just throw them out of the meeting without warning. एक दो को निकाल ही देती हूँ मैं बल्कि. अरसलान, अभिनीत, परमीत, अंश पटेल कभी कैमरा ऑन नहीं होता बेटा इनका. आरफ सोलंकी never changes his name. Araf Solanki never changes his name. Never. Atharv Agarwal and Sheesh, open your cameras. Atharv Agarwal and Sheesh, open your camera. Okay, Samarth. Rishika, I've seen your method of that one. This is where that is very nice, the clock trick. You can make some more like that. I think so. It can be more. Like these numbers, like 13 you are making, it can be some more also. Let me check it again. If it could be 13, there could be more also. Have you done it yourself? Or somebody told you? Someone told you, or have you done it yourself?
Ma'am, I have done.
I just saw somewhere. Okay. No need to send the answers. No need to send the answers. Okay, that's very nice. Thank you for sharing it with me.
Now we have to send this photograph in WhatsApp group.
No, I told you, Abhi Ashray, no.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss the first answer of this one. See? Let's discuss the first answer. It is kilogram and gram. First one is 8 kg and 245 gram. And we have to divide it by 2. First one only I'm doing, third one only I'm telling you. Fourth और fifth बाद में करेंगे. 2 की table में 8. How much times?
2 4s are 8.
2 4s are 8.
8.
I'm
You
2 4s are
subtract it, you will get 0. अब खत्म ये तो kgs over. Now we will copy this 2 here. 0 2 is 2 only. 2 ones are 2.
2.
Then you subtract it, you will get 0 here. You copy this 4 here. 2 2s are
4.
Subtract it, you will get 0 here. Then you will copy this 5 here. 2 2s are 4.
4.
Subtract it, you will get 1 here as remainder. So make a box. So quotient will be 2 4 kg, 122 grams, and the remainder will be 1 gram. Okay, Minha, please join again. Okay, now do the third one, fourth, and then fifth one quickly. जल्दी से complete करो. Fourth put करते हैं. Okay, shall I tell you the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait.
No, ma'am.
क्यों no, ma'am? I have given you so much time, beta. Only 10 minutes are left. I have given you so much time. Still, you are not able to do this.
No, ma'am.
What no, ma'am? What no, ma'am? What no, ma'am? No, no, ma'am. Okay, let me start the next this one. Yes, so Bhavya was asking me this question. Ma'am, अगर यहाँ पे 62 होता, अभी मैं I'm just giving an example. Bhavya, look here. Bhavya is asking me one question. He is having doubt. अगर मैम 62 होता तो क्या करते यहाँ पर? Right, Bhavya? You are asking this?
Asked 52, not 62.
अगर 52 होता, 62 होता तो क्या करते? यही तो बोल रहे हो ना?
52, ma'am, 52.
52 तो ऑलरेडी है. See बेटा, अगर 62 होता, that is also a good question. 3 2s are 6 हो जाता ये. Subtract करते, you will get 0 here. 2 यहाँ पर कॉपी करते. जब आप 2 कॉपी करते हो, 3 की टेबल में 2 कॉपी करने के बाद नहीं आ रहा है तो आपको 0 पुट करते हैं and copy the next number. तो ये 20 kgs हो जाता. Okay, तब ऐसा होता. But right now it's not like this. It's not like this. What you have to do here, kg column, 1 gram column, kg में 52 kgs and gram में 500 gram. Okay, so let's divide it by 3. 3 की table में 5. 3 ones are 3. You subtract it, you will get 2 here. Copy this 2 here again. 3 की table में 22 कब आता है? 3 sevens are
21.
1. Subtract it, you will get 1 here, and you will copy this 5 over here. 5. Now 3 की table में 15 कब आता है?
Ma'am, 3 5s are 15.
3 5s are 15. Okay, you subtract it, you will get 0 here, 0 0. Now copy this 0 here. Okay, so 3 की टेबल में 0 कब आता है? 0. ये वाला 0 कॉपी करोगे, इसकी टेबल में 0 कब आता है? 0 ग्राम. So quotient will be 17 kgs, 500 gram, and remainder will be 0. Got it? Understood, everyone? Any issue, any problem in this question? बेटा जब हम एक नंबर कॉपी कर लेते हैं और आंसर नहीं आता है, so we put zeros in the quotient. Okay, let's do the fifth one now. Wait. Let's do the fifth one. Wait a second. Let me bring it a little closer. Okay. Now kgs and grams. 9 kg 150 gram divided by 9. Yes, this one is quite confusing one. Okay, see here. That's why I've given you the fifth question also. 9 ones are 9. Minus here, you will get 0 here. So ये तो 1 तो kg हो जाएगा. Then you copy this 1 here. अब कॉपी करने के बाद भी 9 से डिवाइड नहीं हो पा रहा. 0 1 0 1 is 1. 0 1 is 1. अब ये डिवाइड नहीं हो पा रहा. आप क्या करोगे? You will put 1 0 in the quotient and you will copy the next number 15. Now it is becoming 15. So 9 ones are 9. It is compulsory to put this 0 here. So answer will be 6. And then copy the next number. 9 की टेबल में 60 कब आता है? 9 की टेबल में 60 कब आता है?
Ma'am, no, not ma'am.
Ma'am, 9 6 are 54.
Yes.
Ma'am, 9 6 are 54.
Ma'am,
So, हाँ, ask the question. हाँ.
Ma'am, in fifth one there should be not 9, there should be 8. So what we do?
अच्छा 8 होगा तो क्या करेंगे? अब if he is saying यहाँ पर 8 होता तो क्या करते? 9 की टेबल में 8 आना is not possible, तो यहाँ पे 0 लिखते. ठीक है?
Okay,
तो ये 0 kgs हो जाता. फिर 1 कॉपी करते, फिर नहीं यार. अच्छा 8 हो जाता. 8 और फिर 1 कॉपी करते, 81 हो जाता. फिर वो 9 की टेबल में 81 तो आ सकता है. 9 से तो यहाँ पर 9 आता. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Akshat, understood? 1 kg quotient will be 1 kg and 16 gram, and the remainder will be 6 gram. So these are all three answers.
My answer is correct.
Check them very carefully. Each step you check it. Step by step. Let me click a picture so that I can send you on WhatsApp. If somebody has missed it, then they can do it again.
Ma'am, there was 2 minutes are left.
Wait a minute. I know very well. Only 2 minutes are left. Let it be.
I'm
2
done.
minutes में हम एक question कर सकते हैं next वाला. Okay, now everyone, what you have to take out next page number. Let's start the number stories. 9.13 में ये page number 167. I'm writing the page number here. Page number 167 निकालो books में. And keep it open. बेटा देखो, इसके बाद मेरा period नहीं है, फिर last period फिर से मेरा है. In that period, I want this page number to be opened by everyone.
Excuse me. Ma'am,
Last period में मुझे ये सबका चाहिए है. Open. Already opened.
the Pankaj sir meetings link is coming.
Let it be. But it is not over yet. It will be started at 11:50 ना. अभी 11:50 हो गया. 11:50 नहीं हुआ है ना. So हो जाएगा, then you can go for that. अभी it's my time, so you have to be here. Do not leave the meeting, my meeting. Link आ जाना है. Sir, पहले link भेज देते हैं, but you don't have to join it earlier. Before the time, you cannot join it. Okay, understood everyone? Okay, take out page number 167 and keep it open for the next period. And in last period, nobody will be late. Last period, I think it will be, it will start at, wait a minute, let me check. मुझे एग्जैक्ट उस टाइम पर सब चाहिए. 11 it will start at 12:30. 12:30 पे I want entered everyone entries at once. जितने 38 लास्ट पीरियड में उसी टाइम पर आ जाना. डोंट बी लेट. ओके. Okay, now the time has been over. Now you can join that meeting. Now it's 11.
Ma'am, can you send the timing?
You can see on your WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Hi, beta. Be
Ma'am,
ready
we
with
have
page
to
number
share
167 in the last period.
Ma'am, we have to send this.
No,
Ma'am, we have to send this.
no.